Since I already came a good way, I figured I'd go over the collection I have as of now. I have a total of one, two, three, four, five, 8 devices and 2 backplates. First off, my system sensor P1224MC. Of course, cosmetic damage, but it works great. My no, G1 RF-C chime only. I quite like this alarm a lot, but this is like one of 2 alarms I got brand new in box. My third one, my Gentex GC3-24WR Commander 3. Um, my school had these, but they were white. But have good something to go back on memories. And then here's my next favorite, system sensor CHSR Spectral Alert Advanced Chime Strobe. Put that back here. And then my Genesis horn strobe. Um, this is a G1F-HDVM, but I think I think it has the sticker label for if this was the plain version, um, which would be really cool if I did. But it has lettering, so I guess that's the incorrect label they stuck on it. But here's the trim plate that I got with the Genesis and the CHSR in that packaging one time. A G1T Edwards 270 SBO. This has been holding up great. My Lansdale bell. This is basically just a rebranded HC 6 inch 24-volt bell, but really nice. Only reason I hadn't tested this one in a long time because of its sound output. Here's the trim plate I got for the chime, a G1 RT Fire. Last but not least, the G4 LFWN-HVM low frequency horn strobe. But yeah, that's my collection as of right now. It is bound to expand, but this is what I have right now. So take care, stay tuned.